If you have a legal regime that allows a state to ban offensive speech, you have no free speech. Why? Because what ends up happening is your speech is at the mercy of the most sensitive member of the community. And one of the virtues of free speech is that we're often have our error exposed. What's wrong is rendered right by hearing new ideas. And so free speech has been a tremendous benefit to us because we have gone from error to truth. And so when you're talking about things like cancel culture, when you're talking about this culture of intolerance, often what you're talking about is people engaging in, for example, mass shaming, gang tackling of their political opponents, all the while there is somebody in the Big Lots box in the institution or in the room. They're sitting there and they know this is intolerable. They know this is unjust, but they're afraid to change. They're afraid to try to create change. And so what's going to save us? What's going to yank us out of this? And I would submit to you that this is the ideal time to present a Christian public witness in the public square. I want to act justly, love mercy, walk humbly, and defend the liberties of even those who I disagree with. Why? So that every man will sit under his own vine and his own fig tree, and no one will make him afraid.